your brain. 2, 3, 4. Answer is this is number 2, 1 and 2. I will jump 2 steps. I will go forward 2 steps. Answer is Answer is which number is this? 4 in my mind. 4 in my and which number is this? Which number is this? 4 fingers out. 4, 5. Very good. Answer is which is greater? 9 is greater. 9 in my mind. 9 in my and which number is this? 3 fingers out. After 9, which number will come? 10, 11, 12. We have to go forward after 9. After 9, which number will come? 10. After 9, which number will come? 10. The answer is? Answer is? Which number is this? Which number is this? We have to go 1 step back from 3. Put out your 1 finger. Okay. Which number will come before 3? Which number is before beta 3?